For those of you just joining us, we are currently in a hold for today's Electron launch, but we have 20 minutes remaining in this launch window, so let's sit with Mission Control for an update.
And to all operators, mission code, just a heads up. And to all operators, resume the count. Just a heads up. We have resumed the count. We are T-minus 15 minutes and 1 second and counting.
You likely just heard there from our launch director in Mission Control that we have set a new liftoff target time, which means the team has now recycled and will go into which means the team has now recycled and will go into a new go/no-go poll at the T-minus 12-minute mark. So we'll sit here and wait for that update from Mission Control on that go/no-go poll. We'll sit here and wait for that update from Mission Control on that go/no-go poll.
Mission code, I can confirm I'm actively monitoring mission code, LV code, range code, and safety net. For all operators, LD and mission code, I can confirm I'm actively monitoring mission code, LV code, range code, and safety net. And to all operators, LD and mission code, we are proceeding now with the go/no-go sequence. And to all operators, LD and mission code, we are proceeding now with the go/no-go sequence.
Avionics is go.
Stage.
Stages go. GNC's go.
Avionics.
Avionics is go.
Recons go.
GNC. T1.
GNC's go.
T1 is go.
Recon. GC.
Recons go.
GC is go.
T1. PLS.
PLS is go.
T1 is go.
RSO.
GC is go.
RSO is go.
PLS.
PLS is go.
Met is go.
RSO. RF.
RSO is go.
RF is go.
MET. MN.
Met is go.
RF.
RF
LD
is
sub.
go.
MN. LD sub. LD sub. LD mission code.
LD sub is go.
LD sub. Copy, thank you. LD mission code.
LD sub is go.
Copy, thank you. The go/no-go sequence is complete. We are T-minus 10 minutes and 57 seconds. The go/no-go sequence is complete. We are T-minus 10 minutes and 57 seconds. Count order sequence at T-minus 10 minutes. From this time, the freebird hold procedure is in effect. At T-minus 10 minutes. From this time, the freebird hold procedure is in effect.
Good news there from Mission Control. The clock has been recycled and all stations are go for launch. The clock we are at T-minus 10 minutes 29 seconds and counting with a liftoff time set for 15 minutes 29 seconds and counting with a liftoff time set for 15:46 local time.
with sequence 55, the paired terminal check sequence.
Understood. Sequence 55
With
and work.
sequence 55, the paired terminal check sequence.
Understood. Sequence 55 and work. Stage 1 igniter pressures verified. Hydraulic pressures verified. Stage 1 igniter pressures verified. LDGC on mission pressures verified.
GCLD.
LD, the pad terminal checks are complete.
GCLD. Copy, thank you.
LD, the pad terminal checks are complete.
Copy, thank you. Avionics LD mission code.
LD avionics.
Please proceed with sequence 56, the avionics terminal check sequence.
LD avionics. Copy.
Please proceed with sequence 56, the avionics terminal check sequence.
Copy. S-band is switched to high power for flight. S-band is switched to high power for flight.
Stage LD mission code.
LD stage.
Stage LD mission code. Proceed with sequence 57, the stage terminal check sequence. Proceed with sequence 57, the stage terminal check sequence.
Stage 1 and 2 high voltage batteries ready for flight.
Sequence 57 in work.
Stage 1 and 2 high voltage batteries ready for flight.
GCLD mission code.
LDGC.
Please proceed with sequence GCLD 58.
LDGC.
Launch pad ready. Please proceed
Understood.
with
Sequence 58 in work.
58.
LD avionics mission.
Launch pad ready. Avionics LD.
Understood. Sequence 58 in
complete.
work.
LD
Copy,
avionics
thank you.
mission.
Avionics LD.
All
Sequence
engine blips
56
nominal.
complete.
All engines ready.
Copy, thank you.
All engine blips nominal. LD stage. All engines ready.
Stage LD.
Stage terminal check sequence 57
stage
complete. Cord.
Stage
Copy,
LD.
thank you. Stage terminal check sequence 57 complete.
Copy, thank you.
As we can see on our screen, the strong back for Electron is slowly starting to retract ahead of its flight scheduled for 15:46 p.m. starting to retract ahead of its flight scheduled for 15:46 p.m.
LDGC on mission code.
GCLD.
Hold down mechanisms are armed and the strong back is retracted for flight.
GCLD.
Hold down mechanisms are armed and the strong
Copy,
back
thank
is
you.
retracted for flight.
Copy, thank you.
as we head into T-minus 4 minutes in the count. The next major milestone we're listening out for is the start of the auto sequence, where Electron takes over the count all the way down to T0. So we'll hand you over now to Mission Control to take it from here for the remainder of the count, and then we'll be back with you shortly after liftoff. Take it from here for the remainder of the count, and then we'll be back with you shortly after liftoff.
GCLD.
LD, the ECS is disabled. LD, pad auto sequence is armed. The pad is ready for launch. LD, the ECS is disabled. Pad auto sequence is armed. The pad is ready for launch.
Copy, thank you. To all operators, LD admission code. From now on, there should be no red flags on your critical LCCs. Beacon, LD mission code. Red flags on your critical LCCs. Please lock the auto sequence and confirm. Mission code.
LD beacon.
Please lock the auto sequence and confirm.
Auto sequence is locked.
Please confirm all expected primary flight computer escorts are green.
Auto sequence is locked. Confirmed.
Please confirm all expected primary flight computer escorts are green. T-minus 2 minutes. LD's gone for launch. Yeah, go for auto sequence started. T-minus 2 minutes. LD's gone for launch.
And hold. And hold.
To all operators, LD mission code. We are proceeding now with the mission code. LV on paired securization and ECS enable sequence. LV on paired securization and ECS enable sequence.
We've just heard a hold call from Mission Control there, so now we are listening out to hear what the latest information is for launch ops. Control there, so now we are listening out to hear what the latest information is for launch ops.
Interoperers, LD mission code. At this point, we are proceeding with the preparations for LOX detank. At this point, we are proceeding with the preparations for LOX detank. PLS LD mission code.
LD PLS.
Please proceed with the PLS prep and detank sequence.
LD PLS. Copy prepping with PLS
Please
detank.
proceed with the PLS prep and detank sequence.
Copy prepping with PLS detank.
A final update here from Mission Control that unfortunately, with the remaining time left in the window now exhausted, we will have to wave off for today's launch attempt for NASA pre-fire. We have plenty more opportunities to launch in the rest of the window though, so keep an eye on our social media channels for an update with a new launch date. So keep an eye on our social media channels for an update with a new launch date. This is Rocket Lab Mission Control signing off.